Okay, I think I'm live. Yeah, I'm live. Let me share my screen with you all. Oh, yeah, I think my screen is live. Just a second, let me check. Given a substring, given a string of lowercase English alphabets, find the length of the longest proper prefix, which is also a suffix. Prefix and suffix can be overlapping, but they should not be equal to the entire string. Okay, AABC is also a suffix. Great. Triple M. Okay, we're not the entire string. Right. Let me see how I can solve this. A, B. Okay, there was some network issue. No issues. So, I will use something like uh, matching prefix, matching prefix suffix match. So, let's see how I'm going to use that concept here. Okay. So the very first thing that we need is for and I is equal to I as dot length. Okay, I plus plus. I'm starting from the very first length. J is equal to s dot length uh, minus I. Okay, like the starting position. That's it. Nothing else. Okay, so is equal to true. I have to compare the proper prefix and suffix of length I. Right, for in k is equal to 0, k smaller than I, k plus plus. Okay, if s of k is not equal to s of j minus k, this is the case, flag is equal to false. But and if they match, like they are not going to break anywhere. So if flag, just right. Okay, I'll also have to keep int variable int answer is equal to 0. So answer is equal to max of answer comma I. Okay, now this returned answer. Let's see if it is working or not. Yeah, it is working completely fine. Let me submit this code and see if it is working or not. Okay, it is working. Your output is 2, the current output is 3. Recheck the code. So I'm starting on the very first index. Please go to s dot len minus I is equal to 2. Okay. Hmm. I'm comparing the proper prefix, okay, of length I, right? Acha. for this one it is working completely fine. Let me submit and see. Folks are no. Okay, runtime error. For previous cases, no issues. Yeah, it should give a runtime error because. Okay, great. Is equal to this flag. What I'm going to do. The screen is not visible, I guess. Right. 1 second. Yeah. Now my screen is visible. See, the thing is, what I'm doing is, I'm starting from the very first, like this index, and this method is called prefix suffix match, nothing else. So I'm starting with the very first index. Okay, not very first, second index, and if I'll check uh, till the ith element, if the string matches, then it's completely okay. If the string doesn't matches, so we move to the some other index, like this one. We break and the loop continues. Okay, great. But this is giving me a runtime error. Let me show you. Yeah, this is giving me a runtime error. So uh, this method is not going to work. Let me see. If this method is not working, I think use. I think I can use North Morris method, right? Longest prefix some type. Okay. Yes, and comma 0. Okay. Okay. So uh, while I is smaller than s dot length, let's initialize I as 0 and I is equal to 1 and 0 is equal to 0. If s of I is equal to s of the answer I'm going to get by this I is equal to s of g. Okay, so LPS of I is equal to s plus g. Okay, this is not the case. Negative. If it is not equal, if I is not equal to 0, that means LPS j is equal to LPS of g minus 1. Okay, else LPS of I equal to 0 and plus plus. Okay, return LPS of n minus 1 is to n minus 1. Okay, can write as start length. The compilation error once again. Runtime error. I plus plus. I'm incrementing the value of I here. If I is not equal to 0, LPS of is equal to LPS of g minus 1. is not equal to don't know this is going to work or not. Let's see. Yeah, so it successfully passed all test case. So there was no issue doing this. The idea was pretty simple. What I need to do is I just used the longest prefix suffix concept, which is uh, LPS method. We construct a longest prefix suffix array where each index I stores the length of the longest proper prefix of substring 0 to I. That is also a suffix of the same substring. The value is at the last of the LPS array represents the length of the proper prefix, which is also a suffix of the entire string. Okay, so that's the main idea. I hope you understood what I was trying to tell. Thank you so much.